In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate Squarespace's payment platform, a crucial skill for anyone looking to manage a website on this incredibly dynamic and user-friendly site. Whether you're an experienced web designer or stepping into the digital world for the first time, understanding how to manage your Squarespace payments will ensure your website remains active and accessible. Let's start at the very beginning. The first step is to visit the Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the clean, inviting layout that makes navigating their site a breeze. Look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring you to the sign-in page where you have several options for accessing your account. For simplicity and speed, we suggest clicking on Continue with Google. This allows you to quickly link your Squarespace account with your Google account, skipping the need to remember another password. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose your account, select the Google account you'd like to use, and voila, you're in. The next step is to click on your website from the list of sites associated with your Squarespace account. This will take you to your site's dashboard, the control center for your Squarespace website. Now you'll need to navigate to the settings section. You might be wondering, where can I find that? Well, there's usually a link directly to settings from your dashboard. It's designed to be straightforward, so look for a gear icon or simply a link named settings. Within settings, your next destination is the billing section. Clicking on this will take you deeper into the administrative side of Squarespace, where you can manage all financial elements related to your Squarespace site. It's here that Squarespace shows its commitment to user experience with clearly labeled sections and an intuitive layout. Clicking through billing, the next click should be on subscriptions. This is where all your active and past subscriptions are listed. You're now getting close to the core of managing your payments. Find and click on the website subscription. This will show you the specific details of your website's subscription plan. To proceed with your payment or to subscribe anew, look for the subscribe button. This is where you decide to either continue with your current plan or possibly upgrade, downgrade, depending on your website's needs. Squarespace provides a variety of plan options tailored to different user requirements, from personal blogs to full-scale business sites. After clicking subscribe, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose your plan. Take a moment here to consider what your website needs. Are you expanding, or are you maintaining a steady presence? Squarespace plans are designed to grow with you, so choose the one that best suits your current situation. You can always adjust later. Finally, you will proceed until you reach the payment section. This is the culmination of your journey through the Squarespace payment process. Squarespace accepts various forms of payment, so all that remains is for you to enter your payment details. The site offers a secure payment gateway, ensuring your personal and financial information remains safe during the transaction. Throughout this process, remember that Squarespace has designed its platform to be as accessible and user-friendly as possible. Each step from logging in to completing your payment is created with the user in mind, ensuring a smooth and straightforward experience. If at any point you feel stuck, Squarespace offers extensive support through its help center, where you can find detailed guides and contact information for additional assistance. Congratulations! By following these steps, you have successfully navigated the Squarespace payment process. Whether you're subscribing for the first time or updating your existing plan, managing your website's financial details is a crucial aspect of maintaining an online presence. With this new knowledge, you're well equipped to keep your Squarespace site up and running smoothly. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been both informative and easy to follow.